Today should be a pretty awesome day. I used to cover this thing with a magnet, but ever since we got it dipped, I don't know what I want to do, so I literally put a recycling bag and then 2 little magnets just so no water goes in that screamer pipe. I didn't really know what else to do. I used to just throw like a huge magnet on it, but I don't want to mess up the dip. So we let this stuff dry all night. It looks like it's holding pretty good, actually. I'm not gonna mess with it, but like it looks like it's like the stuff kind of came out of the seams a little bit and just completely sealed around the outside from what I can see. So that looks good. It's been about 18 or so hours. I don't know exactly how long you're supposed to leave it for, but I'm just gonna leave it for like probably the rest of the day. I feel like it's one of those things where 24 hours is like your best option. If you have the chance to leave it for as long as possible, you may as well just leave it as long as you can. But this thing has been an ugly turd, and I told you guys I didn't want to put the bed back on because we're gonna try and get a motor, which will require transmission and axles and rear ends and all that kind of stuff. And I want to do that kind of like all at once while this whole truck is getting completely torn down and rebuilt. So today we're going motor shopping. Engine, I'm sorry, it's an engine. I know it's an engine. We're going engine shopping. Taking a trailer to the dump to empty it, small fee for using it. If you guys have been following me outside of YouTube, you know I was having like kind of a little bit of a moment where I couldn't decide what motor I wanted to put in the truck. We had this huge thing and I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something just really unique. But at the end of the day, when I bought the truck, I told you guys I just have high horsepower goals. I just want something that'll make the truck go fast and not cost me like $6 million because we had to custom build every single part that's going in there. I would like to do something really stupid one day, like that just doesn't make sense, like put like an RB in the truck. That'd be sick, but we're not gonna do that today. Today we're actually going to somewhere that's really local, which is nice, and it's also nice because it's not like sketchy. We're going to this place called Dusty Roads Truck Parts, and they specialize in just all GM trucks and transmissions, trucks, drivetrains. They do everything, and they're kind of local, which is nice, and it's not buying it from some guy on Craigslist that doesn't really know. At least these guys check everything, and I don't know, we're gonna go check them out. We're gonna see what they have. We picked up the trailer, so like we're ready to go if we find something we like. Hopefully this place is as good as it seems. Do you have high hopes?
Very high.
How high? Like if the bar is here, where's your hopes? Hey, that's pretty good, dude. And we still have the trailer? Yep.
Trailer is still there.
Trailer's still attached. Of course we go to do this too right when I'm tearing the whole S10 down. Like, I just decided I want to do it all at once, but that means I can't take the truck to get a motor for the truck. So we had to go bum a trailer, whatever. Hell yeah, brother. Dusty Roads Truck Parts.
Where do I park?
I don't know, but they do have like a lot of stuff laying around. This place looks cool. Holy shit, dude. Like, you need a rear end? Probably got it. You need a door? Quarter panel? They got it. You need a cab? They got it. We found some motors. These aren't the particular motors that we were after. Bring it right here. He's gonna come from around. Are you fired up or what?
I'm so excited, man.
So I think for all the million other parts they have here, all this kind of stuff, we're gonna wait for today. Today we're just gonna take a motor, but we are gonna take a motor home today. We were thinking about doing all this stuff, but we wanna do a little more research. We wanna like know exactly what's going on. We wanna get exactly what will work. We don't wanna play games. As the channel's leveling up and like we're starting to do things more properly, I want to not mess around. So I'd love to take home all of this, but I don't think Courtney would like that too much.
Oh, absolutely not.
Dude, they got like hella classic car motor swaps. So many people wanted me to do like a 350. Small block swap.
I don't know nothing about that, so.
Like, it'd be cool, but it's just like it's carbureted, and it's 2019. I don't know.
Exactly.
I think I want to stay with the times.
Yeah.
So we got a couple different options on the wall. We got some higher kilometer ones, got some lower kilometer ones, but we already picked our poison. Alright, we got everything tarped up because it's been pouring rain today. Dude, the boys are rolling. Hey, what are the boys doing?
The boys are rolling!
Are you gonna be able to get this thing up the driveway?
Eventually.
Eventually.
Eventually. It's not gonna be first try, it's not gonna be second try. Probably won't be third.
But we're gonna make it happen.
It's gonna get in there.
I'm just gonna leave you guys here so I can help drive. Dude, I'm so excited. The drive was a little sketchy because we didn't have any ratchet straps. We literally used just like a rope, and well, I guess you can't really see it. We tied it just to the side right here with a rope, and then same thing on the other side just to keep it from going backwards when we're accelerating. Kind of a sketchy drive, but we made it. All right, let's pull the pins, drop this boy. I think it's just the driveway is making it hard. Do we seriously think we can dock this behemoth on that tiny little tire? Yeah. Yeah, it'll be cute.
We're gonna drop this guy in there.
And then we'll use the blocks.
And the blocks right there. Hold the front. Maybe she'll work.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Yo, you cannot tell me today is not the best day ever. Literally this week we finished up with the Civic's main stuff, like the body kit stuff, and I was like, all right, I want to start focusing my attention on the truck. And I went online and instantly found, we didn't even tell them what it is yet. I instantly found an LS engine online. I know a lot of people are gonna just, give me a second, let me explain. I found a bunch of LSs at this place called Dusty Roads. So they actually are like the place to go to. Anywhere, if you're like anywhere in the greater Vancouver area, they're like the place to go to. They have all different sizes LS. They had, you guys saw, they have literally everything there. It was an unreal place. I'll link them down below. Just check them out if you guys are ever in the market for anything LS. The guys are super knowledgeable there. He helped me out with a lot. Anything square body GM.
Yeah.
Or just GM.
Shafts, rear, axles, if you want to do swaps.
Yeah, carbureted motors, like they literally had everything there. We went there, we picked up a Gen 4 LS, which is basically a 4.8 liter LS motor out of a 2007. I know a lot of people do LSs in these trucks and it's like, ooh, why are you gonna do another LS in this? But we have huge plans for this. I don't actually remember exactly what this motor came out of, but this is like a 2007 engine year. It's a Gen 4 motor, you can tell just by looking at it. And I don't know much about LSs, which is the part that I love. The same thing as when we did the Honda motor. I don't know anything about it. But that's the best way to learn, is to get something you don't really know what it is. So we knew nothing about the Honda stuff and we just bought it all and we're like, we're gonna do it. So we went to Dusty Roads and for $1,000, this thing came with everything. Like we got PCM or whatever that thing is. GM doesn't call it an ECU. It's a PCM, the entire wiring harness, everything. We got a throttle somewhere. We got,
Pedal, like even the pedal it comes with.
Yeah, like we got the pedal. We got, like I said, the entire wiring harness, every single pump, everything's working and tested before we take it away. He knows exactly what's going on. He's not just like, yeah, here's a motor. So this thing is essentially like complete. It should be able to just be like plugged in and ran, which is dope. We just need to get a transmission, drivetrain, and that's why we wanted to do it right now while the bed's off, because like we're gonna probably try and run this diff and see if we just explode it or what happens. But we're probably gonna need a drivetrain also, and an exhaust. What do I call it? Drivetrain? Yeah. Drive shaft, yeah. And an exhaust and all that stuff. So it's just easier to do this, and the fuel pump and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of people do LS swaps in these S10s, and it's a thing, and I know it's a thing. And dude, this camera, so when I zoom, it's backwards to my old one. So I always take it and I go to zoom out of my face and I zoom into my face.
I noticed that when I was trying to zoom.
It's weird, right? Anyways, a lot of people LS swap S10s, but we have, like I told you guys when I bought this thing to make it a beast. I want this truck to be like an absolute killing machine. Like I want it to be super fast, hella fun, and just something that makes people smile. So sure, a lot of people probably buy like more so carbureted 350s and dump a carbureted 350 in this thing. But we're gonna do full LS, and these things are aluminum heads with iron blocks. That's important. I think the Corvette comes with an aluminum block. You want the truck one with an iron block. So this one has an iron block. Iron blocks can hold way more boost. And essentially what we did was we got the 4.8 liter because people will know the exact same thing about, it's like when you get a B18 and a B20 with Hondas, the B20 is more displacement, but you want to get the B18 because it can handle more boost before you blow through a sidewall. So from what I know, GM offered these in the 4.8 and the 5.3, and then there's also a 6 liter. But being that this is the 4.8, it has the smallest displacement, meaning it has the thickest sidewall, which means it's the best for boost. Did I say that right?
Yes.
Which means?
Turbos.
Turbos. Dude, I'm so excited. Like, I'm all smiles. Like, I didn't really think this was gonna happen so fast. Yesterday or the day before, me and Brad were in here and we're like, we need to get an engine. And we went inside and we found, like I said, they had a selection, so we found this one. Essentially what I wanna try and do, like my game plan for this is I need to try and find like a full mount kit. I need to do research on a transmission because I don't really know what to do for transmission. If you guys know, just like let me know. But they had an NV300 or 350 from a truck. It's from a truck, and I didn't really want the truck one because I don't want the truck gearing. I'd prefer one with like a Camaro one or something with like better gearing, like a faster transmission. We're probably gonna have to do a lot. But that's why, like, let's do it right now while it's gutted, you know? Like, let's make it happen. So I'm gonna have to do more research, swap kits, trannies, all that kind of stuff, but we're getting there. So the 4.8, yeah, it's a smaller one, but it's gonna work for what we needed. It has so much potential, and I'm so excited to make this thing just haul ass. So this thing needs like this,
everything.
The truck build just like flicked on.
Yeah.
Like the switch is, we're going. Yeah. It was like, I'm gonna fix the rust, drive it a little bit now. Full send or no send. Anyways, we have to go return this trailer that we borrowed. Brad got a new Jeep. I never told him you got a new Jeep.
I got a new Jeep.
You guys remember seeing Brad's old black one? I think we took it off-roading in a couple videos. It's been in a couple videos, but definitely a pimp wagon.
2-liter turbo.
2-liter, yeah. 2-liter turbo,
Yeah.
very fast.
It's very
white,
fast.
because ladies love white. Brand new. I know like Jeeps are Jeeps, so this one has like the really cool side marker lights because it's the brand new body style. And it's just like clean, simple. He hasn't done anything to it yet. It's literally 2 weeks old. It's got like 1,000 kilometers on it. But the real money is in here. So many features, like big touchscreen. You guys saw us playing with the backup camera while we were driving. This thing is just like full jam. It's so nice. I like it.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, and it's fast as hell.
Yeah,
like
it really
will
is.
beat the Civic.
The
It's
brake
really
boosting,
fast.
It's so quick.
It's not gonna be the dime, but it is good. And it towed this motor like no problem. Anyways, it's raining. We need to find keys. We need to return this trailer before, well, not really before anything now, but we do need to return the trailer. I hope you guys are hyped, dude. I hope you guys are stoked to see us do the LS, because sure, a lot of people do it, but like we've never done it. It's a challenge for us, and this LS is gonna be like power making LS. This is not just an LS and that's it. This is gonna be LS turbos, like the whole thing. It's gonna be unreal. I hope you guys are hyped. Make sure you like this video and check out Dusty Roads, because it was an awesome experience. So check them out if you guys are local. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.